I think I'm bad as hell, I got his shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow I do the dishes, never come. Easy bake, easy wake up on. Just get.
Hey YouTube. Oh, let me turn this light up. I always forget to do that. Hey YouTube, it's Noonie Robinson and I am back. And as you can see, something is different about my hair. I tried something completely different with my hair. I did some goddess braids, plaits, whatever you want to call them, jumbo goddess plaits. And it took me about an hour to do my hair. I did do it myself. This was my first time actually doing my hair like this. But I did do a quick tutorial. Basically, you just do like the regular jumbo plaits and then you just add like some crochet hair at the bottom. And then you crochet a few strands in between, you add your little beads and you're good. Like, this is a very quick summer style. Like I said, it took me only an hour to do, which is awesome, especially when you're in a rush and you're natural and you don't want to keep paying hundreds of dollars to get your hair done every month or weeks or however long you keep a hairstyle at. So if you're interested in seeing how I got my hair like this, continue to watch this video. Okay, so we are starting with some regular box braids, nothing special. If you guys are interested in seeing my box braid video, I do have one. I will put the link somewhere here or maybe even here. But we're starting, after you braid your hair, we're going to attach some curly pieces to the ends like so. So give it more of a goddess like look, you know, the bohemian style look. So I purchased some crochet hair already curled, which saves us a lot of time. Nothing spectacular. And I'll show you my braids. Just regular box braids. I did them very, very big this time. Okay, so it's time to add hair. So to add hair, I'm gonna start with this one. You just start braiding it in at the ends like you would just attach regular hair. You attach it at the ends so that way the ends are not straight. You want them to be curly. And I'm just gonna stand up and show you. Yeah, my dogs, as always, they see something in the back. They have to make their debut. Attach it at the ends. And you can either burn it at the ends to keep it to stay, or you can put a little bit of glue. You can knot it, whatever you choose to do. It's totally fine. Okay, so that's basically how the ends will look, and I am going to cut the extra straight hair off, but all the ends are going to look like this. You do these for every last braid. Every last braid will have this at the end. Okay? Then I purchased a crochet needle because I want to add some curls like in my braids a little too. Catch it a little bit more early. Okay, so you get that, you bring that through. And then once you get that through, you can just knot it. You can knot it multiple times. You can like even to make sure it stays. You can just knot it around the braid. Give it like that messy look. And that's really it. You could do it multiple times if you choose to. But that's it, really. All of them are going to basically look like this once you're finished. And yeah, you just put the curls wherever you want to put them. Wherever you want it to be curly, you just put a little crochet. And I'm just gonna do my entire head and do my edges in quick, easy, simple. It really took me like an hour to do my hair. Don't mind my brows. I have the microblading video. Ladies, I microbladed my own brows. Don't do that at home. Look at that skin glow. Look at that skin glow. Ooh, 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 ooh.
I think I'm bad as hell, I got his shoes out of line. Saying tomorrow I do the dishes, never come. Easy bake, easy wake up on. Just